Tucked away in the undulating landscapes of Northamptonshire lies the unassuming yet captivating town of Rushden. Often overshadowed by its larger neighbours, Rushden offers a distinctive charm that quietly entices visitors with its rich tapestry of history, culture and community spirit. Upon entering Rushden, one is greeted by a sense of the town's vibrant past. Its roots stretch back to the medieval era, evident in the timeless architecture that dots the town centre. The striking spire of St. Mary's Church stands as a sentinel over the town, its presence a reminder of the centuries of worship and community gathering. The church's Gothic architecture, with its intricate stonework and stained glass, invites both reverence and admiration. A stroll through the high street reveals a delightful juxtaposition of old and new. Independent shops, each brimming with character, sit alongside modern conveniences, creating a harmonious blend that caters to both the traditionalist and the contemporary shopper. Local businesses thrive here, their proprietors greeting customers with a warmth that only deep-rooted familiarity can provide. It's a place where names are remembered and stories are shared over counters. One cannot speak of Rushden without mentioning the Rushden Lakes shopping centre, a testament to the town's evolving identity. This retail and leisure complex has transformed the town into a regional shopping destination, yet it has done so without sacrificing the local charm. Set against the backdrop of serene lakes, it offers a unique shopping experience where nature and commerce coexist beautifully. Whether you're paddleboarding on the lake or indulging in some retail therapy, Rushden Lakes offers something for everyone. The town's history is preserved and celebrated in the Rushden Museum, a treasure trove of artifacts and exhibits that narrate the story of the town and its people. From its industrial heritage, marked by the rise and fall of the shoe and boot manufacturing industry, to the personal histories of its residents, the museum paints a vivid picture of a community shaped by resilience and innovation. Rushden is not just a town of the past. It is a community that looks forward, continually evolving while honouring its heritage. The Rushden Transport Museum and Railway is a testament to this forward-looking spirit. Housed in a restored Victorian railway station, it offers visitors a nostalgic journey on heritage trains, a delightful experience that harks back to a bygone era while celebrating the engineering marvels of the past. The town's calendar is dotted with events that foster community spirit and celebrate local culture. The Rushden Feast, a traditional fair dating back to medieval times, brings the town alive with rides, games and stalls, creating an atmosphere of joy and camaraderie. Similarly, the annual Rushden Cavalcade, a transport rally and country fair, showcases the town's love for classic cars, steam engines and all things mechanical, attracting enthusiasts from near and far. Nature lovers will find solace in the green spaces that envelop Rushden. The tranquil Nene wetlands, part of the Nene Valley, offers a haven for wildlife and a peaceful retreat for walkers and bird watchers. The well-maintained trails and hides provide ample opportunities to observe a variety of bird species, making it a must-visit for nature enthusiasts. The social fabric of Rushden is woven with threads of kindness, community, and a shared sense of belonging. Local clubs, societies, and volunteer groups thrive, offering residents myriad ways to connect and contribute. The sense of community here is palpable, making Rushden not just a place to live, but a place to belong. In essence, Rushden is a town that captivates quietly. It doesn't shout its virtues from the rooftops, but rather invites you to discover them at your own pace. It is a place where history and modernity blend seamlessly, where community spirit thrives, and where every corner has a story to tell. Whether you are a resident or a visitor, Rushden offers an experience that is both enriching and unforgettable.